Hi, my name is Keith Schneringer, Senior Director of Marketing, Jansan Sustainability for BradyPLUS. The way that we can help people find products that perform well and contain safer ingredients is to make sure that they understand eco labels like EPA Safer Choice, Green Seal, UL Eco Logo, and understand how those labels help to provide science-backed criteria for people to find products that are safer for human health and the environment. The way that we can promote healthier and more sustainable cleaning practices is multiple different ways. One is we want to make sure that we're using those practices at our own facilities. We're modeling that behavior. We're going out there and showing the benefits, not only to the cleaning workers, but to the building occupants, and just providing education and outreach. At BradyPLUS, we provide supplies and solutions for the Jansan industry, for industrial packaging and food service disposables. And we like to say we don't just deliver the box, we actually know what's in it, what it does, and how to use it.